Hello, friends. This is Magical Sudipti, and I am once again here to spread some positivity in your life with a thought that I'll be adding some value to your life and will remove some kind of trance from your life, right? Because generally so I'll talk about it later, but first of all, two questions from you. Have you ever experienced that you have thought about something and then you ended up saying, oh, whoosh, I wish I could have asked for something else from God? Or maybe something like this happened with your life ever, that you thought about someone and he or she called you up immediately? If your answer is yes, then stay tuned because today I'll be talking about true wisdom that comes from experience. Stay tuned. So, friends, there were two friends, one me and the second one you. So, what happened that we two were talking to each other, and one fine day you were telling me that I asked you that how's your life, and you said, oh, life is going fine, but I wish that God finishes all these ups and downs from my life, then life would become really great. And listening to this, what my response was, thank God that God has not listened to you. God forbids if He would have heard what you have said and He finishes all the ups and downs from your life. I hope you have seen the ECG report. So our ECG report shows like this: a few ups, then few downs, then few ups, and then few downs. And if God finishes, removes all these ups and downs, then our life becomes straight. So thank God that God has not listened to you. He has not even heard what you have said. So friends, I would like to say that be careful about what you think, because this is one of the learning of my life, and this I have learned from my experiences. Lot of times we say lot of things, we think lot of things which we don't want, and rather I would say that 97% of the time we are thinking what we don't want. 97% of the public thinks what we don't want. So in which category are you? 3% or 97%? So just check yourself. Where are we focusing on? Because we get what we focus on the most. So just be mindful and check your thoughts. Check your words. Are we focusing on weaknesses? Are we focusing on strengths? Because if you are focusing on strengths, then it's okay. But if you are focusing on weaknesses, then they will multiply. Are we focusing on dar, fear, or are we focusing on dreams? Because if you are focusing on dreams, then it's okay, comparatively. But if you are focusing on dar, and if it comes in your life and with multiplied effect, can you really afford that? Just verify your thought process and check. Are we focusing on losses? कहीं ये ना हो जाए? Or are we focusing on opportunities, growth opportunities? Because if you are thinking about growth opportunities, what possible ways I can think, then it's fine. But if you are thinking of all the losses, and if it happens, God listens to you, then what? You will be in loss. Can you afford that? And one last option. Focus on your thoughts and words. Are you focusing on fears and worries? Or are you focusing on trust and appreciation? Because if you are focusing on trust and appreciation you have received from someone, or you are giving to someone, then it's okay. But if you are focusing on all the fears, worries and doubts, and if it multiplies in your life, can you really afford that? So just be very careful, because in my life when I was focusing on death, it actually almost came to me. So friends, be very careful before you think, because ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है. So jokes apart, I'm saying that friends, joke I have told you on a humorous note. But what I'm saying now is actually very, very real and practical aspect of our life. So be very careful.